Wait, I've had a few people comment on the way I hold my TIG torch, and although it just makes me laugh how mad people get with how people do things differently than them, I want to mention this isn't a flex head. My water-cooled torch that I use on my Dynasty, even though I do have flex heads, I don't typically use them because I don't like them. And I don't like holding it sideways. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I hold it upside down. I get full control of it, and it's convenient for me. So for those of you who actually do like how I hold my torch, I typically wrap it over my forearm, between my elbow, wrap around, and then I just hold them nice and loosely. And if I ever find that the cable's kind of getting in the way, I just kind of tuck it up like so, and then it's nice and out of the way. If I'm really doing something in position, I'll put the cable over my neck or something like that. But I don't know why people get so mad about the way I hold my TIG torch, but they do. Go back and look at the comments. They are upset.